So the hardest role for me to find talent in is project managers or program managers. And I think that has a lot to do with sometimes I feel like I'm looking for a unicorn because I not only want them to be well versed in learning theory and adult learning theory, but they also need to be able to manage large scale projects. Our projects run anywhere from 6 months to a year and a half, maybe longer. And they entail a lot of different things. So, stakeholder management, figuring out what your metrics are, even the ability to manage scope creep, right? The longer your project is, the more likely scope creep, they're more likely to have some curveballs that come your way. And so, somebody who has the skills to be able to understand what the impact of the curveball is, to be able to minimize that, to be able to think through how to communicate to different stakeholders, even how to manage the change, which, if you think about it, all learning is change. And so, understanding change management and how you can apply those principles to your project